Is it time to buy or sell SPY ETF? In this video, we will explore SPY in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 17th of December, 2024, and now we are providing an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest insights. You definitely do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 5th of November, 2024, our system has classified SPY as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 1.19. Now let's examine the performance of this exchange-traded fund during this time frame. The ETF has experienced a gain of 4.78%. This results in an average return of 0.16% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The exchange-traded fund is currently positioned within a narrow and modestly rising trend in the short term, indicating the possibility of further increases along this path. Analyzing the 3-month trend, we anticipate a potential change of approximately 7.39% over the upcoming 3 months, with expected returns ranging from 4.84% to 8.88%. Looking at the 12-month trend, we expect a change of around 25.67% over the next year, with potential returns between 17.34% and 27.16%. This suggests a price range of approximately $708.97 to $768.31 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for SPY includes the headline: SPY ETF price down 0.42% on Tuesday. The SPY ETF price decreased by 0.42% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 17th of December, 2024, dropping from $606.76 to $604.21. During this trading day, the ETF experienced fluctuations of 0.379%, ranging from a low of $602.89 to a high of $605.17. The price has declined in 6 of the last 10 days, but remains up by 0.06% over the past 2 weeks. Volume increased on the last day by 5 million shares, albeit with declining prices. This may serve as an early warning, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, 39 million shares were exchanged for approximately $23.76 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $609.06, while the lowest price was $466.43. Currently, the price stands at 0.8% or $4.85, below the 52-week high of $609.06, which also marks the all-time high for the ETF. The SPY, which represents the S&P 500, continues to be a focal point as it has soared to new heights in 2024, largely driven by the standout performance of key technology stocks known as the Magnificent Seven. Recently, the exchange-traded fund market experienced a notable influx of capital, with $35 billion entering U.S. equity exchange-traded funds. This influx indicates strong investor interest and confidence, which could bolster the SPY's price in the short term. However, amid this optimism, there are signs of potential headwinds. Warnings have emerged about the S&P 500's valuation becoming pricey after 2 years of double-digit gains, suggesting that investors should remain cautious. Recent fluctuations in NASDAQ and S&P futures, alongside economic data pending from the Federal Reserve's upcoming meeting, have contributed to a more tepid market atmosphere. The uncertainty surrounding interest rates could influence the SPY's movement in the near future, with traders on high alert for any signals from the Federal Reserve regarding adjustments to monetary policy. In the longer term, sectors such as artificial intelligence and large dividends are expected to continue attracting attention. Additionally, the overall health of the housing market, as indicated by an unchanged National Association of Home Builders Housing Market Index, may also play a role in shaping investor sentiment. Depending on how these dynamics evolve, the SPY could experience either a sustained rally or increased volatility as investors react to economic indicators and corporate performance. The following signals have been identified for SPY. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Friday, the 6th of December, 2024, and so far it has fallen by approximately 0.6%. Further decline is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been identified. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, known as MACD. Volume increased on falling prices yesterday, which may serve as an early warning, suggesting that the ETF should be monitored more closely. Some positive signals have also been issued, potentially influencing near-term developments. The SPY ETF holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. With the short-term average positioned above the long-term average, there exists a general buy signal for the ETF, providing a positive outlook. Should there be further gains, the ETF will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $604.95. Conversely, in the event of a decline, the ETF will find support from the long-term average at around $595.04. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will result in a sell signal. Here are some additional signals that may interest you. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots provided a sell signal 8 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy opportunity from 26 days ago. The short-term moving average suggests a buy signal from 3 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 31 days ago. Observing the 12-month chart, we note the short moving average showed a buy signal 30 days ago. Meanwhile, the long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 93 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support risk and stop loss for SPY. On the downside, the exchange-traded fund finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $570.98 and $568.70. There is a natural risk involved when an exchange-traded fund is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the fund may then fall to the next support level. In this case, SPY finds support just below today's level at $570.98. If this level is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $568.70 and $568.25. In general, the exchange-traded fund tends to have very controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk is considered very low for this fund. During the last day, the fund moved $2.28 between high and low, or 0.379%. For the last week, the fund has had a daily average volatility of 0.494%. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SPY. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SPY is at 604.6. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the ETF, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SPY encounters its first support level at 570.98. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $585.86, reflecting a decrease of 3.04%. This exchange-traded fund experiences very low daily fluctuations, which translates to a low level of risk. Additionally, a sell signal has been identified from a pivot top that occurred 7 days ago. Is the SPY ETF a sound investment? Currently, several indicators are signaling negativity, which we believe will influence market activity in the coming days and possibly weeks. Nevertheless, we see today's pricing as a potential buying opportunity, with expectations that it may increase during or by the conclusion of this 3-month period. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price appears overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 18th of December, we anticipate that SPY will open lower, with a decrease of 12 cents, starting at $604.09. We would like to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not rely solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.